In this video, I'll guide you through how to add tooltips to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're creating a form for work or simply enhancing a document for personal use, adding tooltips can significantly improve the user experience by providing additional context or instructions for each field. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open, look over to the Edit pane. This is a crucial area where you'll find many of the tools you need for editing and enhancing your PDF. From this pane, select the Prepare Form option. This feature is specifically designed for creating and editing interactive forms within your PDF, and it's the gateway to adding those helpful tooltips. With Prepare Form activated, your document will switch to a mode that highlights form fields and interactive elements. Now, identify the specific form field or button where you want to place a tooltip. This could be a text box, a checkbox, or any interactive element where you think additional guidance might be helpful. Double-click on this field to open its properties. Once you've double-clicked, a properties dialog box will appear, allowing you to customize different aspects of the selected field. Here, you'll want to focus on the General tab. This tab contains various settings, including the option we're looking for, the tooltip box. In the tooltip box, you can enter the text that you want to display as a tooltip. Think carefully about what information will be most helpful to the end user. Whether it's a brief instruction, a helpful hint, or additional context, your tooltip should be clear and concise. Simply type the information you want the user to see when they hover over the field. For example, if your field is asking for a phone number, your tooltip might say, enter your 10-digit phone number without spaces or dashes. Once you've entered your tooltip text, review it to ensure there are no typos or errors. Remember, clarity is key. A well-written tooltip can prevent common mistakes and improve the overall usability of your form. After you've entered and checked your tooltip text, you can close the Properties dialog box. There's no need to worry about saving because Adobe Acrobat automatically saves your changes as you make them in the Prepare Form mode. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a tooltip to your PDF form using Adobe Acrobat. Tooltips are a subtle yet powerful way to enhance user interaction by providing additional guidance without cluttering your form. Keep in mind that you can repeat this process for any other fields or buttons within your document where you feel additional information would be beneficial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you now feel confident adding tooltips to your own PDFs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.